Today I landed in Acadia National Park. I'm continuing to paint a row of the Maine beer cans. Maine is well known for their small breweries. But first, for some context, I spent the day hiking the Beehive in Acadia. This is a strenuous and super exhilarating hike. It's a little under 1.5 miles and it has some awesome views. It was a challenging climb, but to me it was well worth it. This ought to give you a good idea of whether or not this hike is for you. If you're like me, you'll be like, hell yeah, I have to do this. If you're even remotely afraid of heights, maybe not so much.
Wow. A little nerve-wracking.
In this vid, I will intermix the climb with my painting because this channel shows my adventures and my paintings side by side as I travel the country camping, hiking, and painting.
It's cool and terrifying.
Yep.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy moly.
I enjoy making the ordinary extraordinary. This painting, Main Row, is from my beer collection, BER, Brushstrokes Echo Every Region.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I went too high. Yeah. Okay, don't follow me. Okay. Oh, golly. Okay. That was a scary one. Ow. Awesome. Totally awesome.
In the Beehive.
This way? Seriously? Okay. Looks a little iffy to me. Oh, jeepers. Okay. Yep. Sort of thought going down was going to be easier.
The journey is the context, and my studio is wherever I land. This is a traveling studio. That's today's work from the road. Stay tuned for the next adventure.